welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be having a little bit of a look into a GELLEN extension kit. It is a nail tips and glue gel kit. This kit is available on Amazon for £16.99. It is an extension kit, a really quick and easy way of building extensions on your nails. In this kit you get 504 acrylic nail tips. They do these in various different shapes. This particular one is a stiletto one and it comes with 12 different sizes and it's really nice. Thick box. It looks really good. You get a little GELLEN 100/180 grit nail file. You get a cute little tip cutter. Unfortunately, I must admit this one does not look like the best of quality. It's very cheap plastic and it does sort of get a little bit jammed. I'm very excited for this. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. You get a little USB nail lamp. This one is a single finger nail lamp with 4 little LEDs in it. It looks really good and really helpful though. I'm very excited to try this out. You get a little clip which is designed to hold the tips on your nails while you are curing. And then finally you get the nail glue gel. This is a 3-in-1 nail glue gel. You can use this as a base coat, as a glue gel, and it's also a nail strengthener as well. It looks really good. This comes in a 15ml bottle, which is a good sized bottle. You also get a little manual. So this is the GELLEN nail tips and glue gel kit. Package content: 504 nail tips, a nail file, mini nail lamp, nail glue gel, nail tip clip, and a nail tip cutter. In here it will give you a little bit of guidance on how to use the products. It states here that the nail lamp is a touch switch and it takes 30 seconds to cure, lightweight and portable. We have a little Q&A. We've got all the different tips that they do. A little bit of information about the tips. So it states that they are a matte texture, no need to file, sturdy and break resistant, thin and fit, and non-trace for bending. And we also get a little miniature manual for the nail lamp itself. So I am just going to do one hand today. I'm going to do the other hand off camera later on. But I thought we could have a go with this little kit. I've never used one like this before. I'm just going to connect up the lamp. I'd say it's about a ½ meter lead. So I'm going to have to use my power bank in order to use this. So it comes with a Type-C lead that you simply just plug into the back there. And it's got a little touch, can you see a little power thing there? Little touch button to light it up so you can cure the nail. Looks really good, I really like the look of it. So I am just going to quickly buff off the shine on my nails and then I'm going to wipe off all the excess powder. It does state in the manual to have a nice matte finish on your natural nails. So because these are a matte finish nail, you do not need to worry about buffing these down or anything like that. What I need to do now is have a look and find my size. Like that one, for example, fit my thumbnail perfectly. So I'm just going to twist that one off and we've got a tip. So there we go, I have picked out the 5 different sizes that I require. As you can see, the tips are very nice. They have got that matte finish around the edge there like stated. You can buy them in different shapes. I've got stiletto ones which I can also cut down into more of a coffin shape if I prefer, which is probably what I'm going to do. So this is very new to me. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing. I'm also well out of practice with nails. If you know me, you know I have had my channel for a few years now. However, I haven't actually been around for the last 6 months. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but yeah, I haven't been around. So don't blame me if this goes wrong. However, I have just put a tiniest little bit on the edge of the nail there. This is for my baby finger. I'm going to pull the lamp closer because I'm going to need that in a minute. So what I'm going to do is sort of go like that and I'm going to press down like so. I'm not entirely sure I've put enough glue gel on there, but you'll squish it down, get rid of all the air bubbles, and then you whack underneath your little lamp, which I can't get to work. Oh, what's going on? Put my power bank down. Yeah, so try again. I've squished it down so there's no air bubbles. My power bank thought it was funny to turn off, which is really not helpful. So simply hold this underneath here. It stays to cure for 60 to 90 seconds. I do apologise if I sound a bit funny. Like I said, it's been a while since I've done any filming. I feel weird sat here talking to a camera again. It's been so long. This method is especially for people that are very new to nails. This is a really good method of being able to get some real nice shaped nails. It's also great for if you're like in a hurry. Like for me, it does still take me hours to do my nails if I use like acrylic or build gel, poly gel. and I'm sculpting. However, if you're in a hurry, get ready for a night out or whatnot, this is a fantastic method. So I don't know how I can see that. It's definitely not the most straightest, and there is definitely a little air bubble running through there. But we're going to go with it, okay? We're just going to ignore that for now and try again on another nail. So just like before, you simply just add a little bit of glue gel, like so. I'm going to try and make sure I get a little bit more level this time. So I'm going to go like so. Push it down, no air bubbles. I think my power bank's turned off again. Alright, so we are on. And we'll hold that right there. And fingers crossed. After about 30 seconds, it is secure enough that you can get away with like letting go and just curing the rest without having to hold it on with the pressure. And there you go. As you can see, that was much better. We do not have much air bubbles going on. Maybe a little tiny bit around the cuticle area there, but otherwise that's looking much better, much straighter. Yeah, happy with that. So I'm going to go in with the middle finger next. I've just got a load of that glue gel on the other side of the tip, but oh well, we will not stress. I'm going to see how well this little clip thing works out of curiosity. So I better make sure the power bank is on this time. Although I don't know how I'm meant to get that clip on, to be honest. I'm going to go with it. Yeah, I don't know about the clip, to be honest, because holding the pressure on it and getting it on there well enough, it's going to be a little bit tricky, but it is doable. They're quite useful, the little clips, for like if you're doing polygel dual forms, because you can clip it on and sort of tidy up around the edges like that if you need to. But honestly, I have actually got a few of those clips and I've not really used them. I gave them a go when I first got them. I thought they'd be really handy, but then I haven't actually reached for them again. They're not all that handy. I hope you guys have been doing well anyway. I've missed you all so much. I'm hoping to get back into regular filming again. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Okay, so index finger. As you can see though, even though I'm absolutely useless and I'm like scatterbrained with these sort of things, you can see it is going relatively well for me here. It's taken me literally no time at all. This is right up my alley. Because I like to change my nails all the time, literally so often. But I also don't have enough hours in a day with children and, you know, housework and everything that needs to get done. Sitting down and having a couple of hours to do your nails is quite rare. So this is a great little solution for me. Absolutely perfect little solution for me. I really appreciate how quick and easy this is. For my first attempt with this particular kit, it's going relatively well. I don't think that baby finger's going to last 5 minutes, but all in all, it's going pretty well. I'm pretty happy here. And in the space of like 10-15 minutes, I've nearly got a full hand of nails attached, which is great. Absolutely fantastic. Now, so far so good, apart from that slightly wonky air bubble baby finger, but they are looking alright. Slightly put too much glue gel on my index finger there, but we can file that off with the e-file. So finally we are going to go in with the thumbnail. A little bit. As you can see, you don't need a lot of glue gel either. Having to keep making sure my power bank's actually turned on. So that's one thing, if you're doing this, make sure you're near a power source where you can actually get USB to reach. I have an extension lead here, but it's not enough room on it in order to be able to plug it into the extension lead with the USB and have it here visible for you guys. So I'm having to use a power bank. And it's not the best of power banks. So you go that quickly, I have got a full set of nails going on. What I'm going to do, which I always do anyway, is I'm going to whack all my nails underneath my big lamp for 60 seconds just for, you know, extra bit of curing. It's probably not needed, but I just like to, just to make sure it has all cured properly. Okay, so now they are all done, I'm simply going to use this nail tip cutter they've got just to snip off. Oh, that pinged off straight in my face. But I'm just going to snip off a little bit, maybe a little bit more. I don't really feel like killing long nails this time. I'm not a huge fan of this nail tip cutter at all. As you can see, it's literally just cheap plastic, and every time it's not coming back down properly, if that makes sense. It's a little bit jibby, a little bit, oh, I might have to cut that because that's way too loud for your ears, but it's just, it gets a little bit stuck and it's just not the best of quality. I would personally recommend a different tip cutter. Okay, so I have trimmed all those down. I'm now going to use the nail file they provided, just sort of file them into shape a little bit better, file the edges of them, sort of straighten them up, neaten them up, and then I'm going to buff them. They haven't provided a buffer block, this is my own. I'm going to buff them down, get rid of that shine, so we can paint them, and obviously get rid of some of the spillages like that. I'll buff that off and get rid of that, but almost ready to paint. Okay, so there we go, that is them all filed, all buffed, really quick, really easy. I still need to do a little bit of filing underneath there and get rid of some of that excess glue gel I've accidentally got on there, but look at them, like minimal effort and they are looking ready to go. So I'm going to grab some gel polish now and we're going to quickly do the nails. So it is my birthday in a week, 22nd of September, and I'm going to do red nails because red is like my signature colour. You can go straight in with the colour on this. I'm going to go in with red and I'm going to use some of the Emily reflective glitter gel polish because yes, 6 months down the line I am still obsessed with it. Oopsie. Totally out of practice with doing nails, absolutely shocking at it. I've not done nails nowhere near as much as I would have liked to in the last few months. As you can see, flooding. And look at that, it's just so quick and simple. I love this. So realistically, for the price that you can pay, right? Well, for what you'd pay for one set of nails at a salon on average, if you've got like extensions, a bit of nail work, etc., you could literally go on Amazon, you could buy this kit for £17. You could buy yourself like a little box set of some really nice gel polishes for the same price that you'd pay at a salon for one set of nails. And that way you can do any set of nails at home, you can change them up as frequently as you like. You haven't really got to worry about shaping or anything like that. And you know, all round it's just a win-win. I think this is a fantastic little kit. I can't believe how quickly I've done a set of nails. I haven't got to worry about shaping either, which, you know, I hate sitting there faffing about with shaping nails. Sometimes I am sat there for ages trying to shape my nails and struggling. This is a fantastic little kit for a beginner or just someone that's in a rush. I'm doing a great job at making a mess. It's just easy, isn't it? It's just easy, simple. Can't complain at all. Okay, so there we go. I have painted them really badly, I must say. I've given them 2 coats, give 30 seconds in between, all that lovely stuff. I'm just using the Emily reflective glitter gel. I'm just going to whack a coat of this over the top of them just because I really can't get enough of this reflective glitter gel. I think this will forever be one of my favourite products because I'm just obsessed. Yeah, it's my birthday soon in a week. I'm hoping to tidy these up a bit better and have just pretty red nails for my birthday. I don't like to do nothing too fancy, but red's sort of like my signature colour. So I'm very excited. Yeah, I'm just going to whack some of this on them all. Not too heavy, just a nice little coat. Top coat it all. Try and tidy it up a bit because I'm a mucky pup. And then, yeah, we will have a full set of, well, one hand will have a full set of nails. I'll do the other hand yet, but I won't do that on camera because I don't want to bore you all to death. I'm probably boring you all enough as it is. My voice is really creaky as well today and sounding a bit weird because it's actually really, really early. I've not even been awake and out yet, but I wanted to dive into this kit. I've been really excited. It's been sat here for like a week or two now. And I've been very, very, very excited to dive into it. It's been the longest time since I've done any filming. And yeah, it's cool to be back. You should hear my voice a bit more frequently if you want to. And yeah, hopefully we've got Halloween coming up, so I'm hoping to do some wicked Halloween nail art. You guys, if you know me, know that I love, love, love Halloween for nails. And yeah, hopefully some more products to show you soon, and who knows, but we'll think of something, won't we? But yeah, I'm just going to cure those for 30 seconds. Okay, so I'm now going to top coat them. I've got this new top coat from Tomica, again from Amazon. Really, really, really nice. I really like it a lot. I will link this down in my description box because it is a really nice top coat, as well as the kit. I will link this kit down in the description box. And also the Emily reflective glitter gel kit, because that comes with maybe 10 different colours. It's really nice. I have done a video on it before, which I will also link down in the description box. But yeah, I've really enjoyed filming this video today. I think this is a really great little kit. I really do. I can't fault it. Literally my only complaint is just that tip cutter. It's a load of crap. However, the rest of it is brilliant. I think it's a really great little kit for anybody really. If you enjoy doing nails, you will appreciate this kit. Or if you want to start learning and enjoy doing nails, then yeah, again, a great little kit to start off with if you're interested in learning to do nails. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. My content will get better, I promise. It's been literally 6 months since I sat down and spoke to a camera. It's also first thing in the morning. I don't know what I was thinking. Why film first thing in the morning? I've only had 1 coffee. Not quite enough. I need another 2 or 3. And then I'll be good for the day. I used to hate coffee, but I've become a right coffee addict over the last few months. Can't beat a toffee latte from McDonald's. They are my favourite. They are so yummy. And give me the caffeine buzz that I need. So I'm very much a caffeine addict. Can't get by without a cup of tea or a coffee. Yeah, I'm very happy with this little kit. It's great as well for like example, like I'm left-handed, so I always really struggle with like sculpting on my left hand because obviously that's my dominant hand. So trying to use my non-dominant hand to do stuff would be really tricky, so that's another good reason for a kit like this, because you're just less likely to mess up. Unless you're me and you're absolutely useless at everything you do. But yeah, I'm just going to cure those for 60 seconds and then I'll be right back. Okay, so there we go, that is them all done. Definitely not the best of applications on my behalf at all. However, the kit itself is absolutely fantastic. I will get better with it. It's just a matter of practice, isn't it? And maybe a few more coffees in the morning before you start filming. But otherwise, it's a massive thumbs up for me. Literally, like I said, the only complaint is that tip cutter. It's no crap. I will not be using it. I'll use my own. But it's a really good little kit. I really can't fault it. Like I said, all links for the kit, the reflective glitter gel, and also the top coating that I've got, I will link in the description box if you'd like to check them out for yourselves. But other than that, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you soon for a brand new video. Bye!
Rage on that beat, going crazy.